Do you want to recap?
Why don't you recap and we can both talk about it?
So pretty much Calvin and I had a plan to make 3 different vlogs with our squad.
100%. We had plans.
And none of that happened.
No, negative Ghost Rider. It did not happen.
So now we have to recap so that it makes sense when I'm editing these videos. So we're coming to you from the future. And we're just going to explain it.
We're going to talk about the past.
So it started off, I woke up the other day. Squad was supposed to come in the evening. Calvin surprised me.
I did. I had a day I could take off work, and
he did it.
I was looking forward to much rather fishing and hanging out rather than sitting at a desk all damn day.
We're still at the location that we've been at for the last couple days. It's still gorgeous as ever. My friends are meeting me here, which I'm so pumped for. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see them. It's gonna be super exciting. I can't wait for you guys to meet the squad and see us all together. But I have quite a few things to do this morning before. They're all coming this evening. I think Calvin's showing up around 5 and Thomas and Lauren are showing up 8, 9 p.m. I don't know. Anyways, I got a lot to do before then. So, like, I've got to run into town. I've got to upload a few videos. I got to find a Wi-Fi place, first of all. And we're kind of in the middle of nowhere, so I don't even know that I'm really going to be able to do that. But anyways, before everybody gets here, I guess let's get our errands done. And then we'll hang with the squad later. I think I'm going to start off by making coffee and then taking Blue for a walk. Good old morning routine, you know? The sun is brutal. Guys, why do people invent bugs? You know, like these black flies, I'm just like, why are they even here? Alright, what? Oh, I always forget my AeroPress. Like the thing that makes your coffee, Maria. How are you guys all doing this morning? I feel just a little crabby, I'm not gonna lie to you. Although I did sleep really well last night, so there's really no reason for it. Forgetting everything. I should probably prop up my stove too. Oh, Calvin's here. He came early. I freaking knew it. I knew it. I knew he was gonna come early. Oh, exciting. Okay, well, Calvin's gonna be with us for the day if I'm right. I knew he was coming early. He lied to me. He told me he was going to be at work and wouldn't be here till 5. Oh my gosh, that's totally him! Oh, I love my friends. Well, he came just in time for coffee, so good for him. Come here, Blue. Calvy's here! I freaking knew it, dude! The reason I thought... This is the pin that you sent me. Well, yeah, but that's the camper the guy kicked me out of. And we can go over there if you want. I was filming and I was like, I saw a black truck and I was like, Calvin's here!
Oh, I thought you came over here, so I was like, I'm going to drive all the way around.
No, I told you I had to move. Thanks for my coffee. You want to try it? I can't believe they gave you a jar. Well, I guess I don't need to make coffee anymore. Since I was brought Calvin the Savior. He's like, human interaction! Oh, I had a guy come here this morning and, like the forest. Blue, no.
The Colorado Parks and Wildlife?
Yeah, whatever. He was, what am I doing? He said that I need a fishing license just to stay here.
That's fucking untrue.
Or like a SWA.
Why are you a fishing license in town?
Yeah, I was like, well, I'm almost running into town, so he was like, okay. That's what Mr. Somebody told me.
Let you go fuck off, but we'll buy you a license.
Yeah, I mean, I was about to head into town, so I told him that I would get it within an hour.
A 1 to 3 day license won't break your bank. It's gonna be like fucking $15.
I could have bought 2 coffees in Winter Park for that price.
So you saw me driving over there, you're like, that's probably Calvin.
Well, I've been watching everybody come out for like almost 2 days, and there's been no black trucks, and I just saw a black truck cruising, and I was like, I could feel it. Calvin's near. So yes.
Blue, what are you doing?
I knew. I'm so happy you came early.
Well,
now you can run all my errands with me.
That's fine.
Just in time. If you were like 10 minutes later, I would have made coffee.
You gonna take Rue or my truck?
Your truck. I don't think you, me, and Blue at all fit comfortably in Rue.
Okay. Just need I might need to unload some of the shit in the bed of my truck, or not the bed, in the back of my truck to
Rue?
Yeah.
Well, I'll just leave my mattress up if you want to put it up here.
Okay.
Well, I guess I also have a seat open. You see these black flies I've been talking about?
Yeah.
They're not as bad over here though.
Because you're more exposed to the window.
What do you want me to grab?
Just unload all your packages in there too.
Oh!
It's all your shiznit.
Should I just do that right now? Okay? Yeah.
Sure, do it.
Alright.
We're here, why not?
And then, after that, you got to run errands with me.
Yep.
Because you came early.
Yep. So I watched
I
watched you edit. It was very exhilarating.
Was it?
I mean, I was just on my phone the whole time, so yeah. Yeah. Oh wait, no.
What's that?
You're just too hard on yourself, I think.
Oh no, because a lot of girls.
Then where'd you take me after that?
We went and saw where we duck hunt every fall.
Pretty.
We looked over the river valley.
What are we doing?
Do you want to go to the campsite first, or do you want to take the walk and see where we duck hunt first?
Yeah, I want to see where you duck hunt.
Lightning bolt.
Look at all of them running.
Holy hell! Oh look, there's a buck. Let me see he's the last one behind the fence. See him along the fence?
Mm-hmm.
He's the last one. The does generally yeet out first, and the buck looks and sees, and then he yeets with him.
Beautiful. So we're gonna follow this 2-track or what?
Yeah, but we have to walk.
For how long?
I don't know, half mile maybe? Think you can handle that?
I guess.
I guess.
Wow, they're back. Look at them.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, cross.
Come here, Blue. Blue's living his best life.
Yes, he is.
Pretty.
That's perfect. See ducks on the water?
Yep.
See ducks on the water in there?
Uh-huh. Cool. Come on, bub. Then we went and I bought $40 worth of Red Bull.
You did, of which I carried most of it.
Calvin, what did we just get?
A fuck ton of Red Bull.
Heck yeah.
I'm her pack mule.
Mm-hmm.
Here, Calvin, you have big long arms. Carry all this shiznit
Well, your
for me.
wingspan's like what, 7 feet?
6'11", thank you.
Holy!
I have the wingspan of a 747. I could, if I flap my arms fast enough, I could probably
fly.
I could take off and fly.
I could fly.
Hey, Blue, what are you doing? Is
rooting.
my
Yeah.
seat not comfy for you?
Oh my
I'm
god,
sorry.
it's so hot. Then we went back to the campsite and we set up the tent.
Yep.
We were tipsy. That's why we didn't film as much.
We were tipsy. We made some decisions, and then alcohol got involved, and those decisions fell through because alcohol took over the brain. I got sunburnt to shit because I don't like...
Yeah, show your hands.
I don't like sun... I don't know if they'll be able to see it, but like... just sunburnt.
Sorry guys, the wind is brutal. And then T-Money and Lolo came.
They came. They showed up right at like sunset. I was just getting the fire going, and they pull up.
We also had plans to introduce the squad and who they were, and then we just forgot the entire 2 days to even introduce them.
I mean, we meant to take pictures with all 4 of us today, and then they left, and I was like, all right, well, peace out to that plan.
Blame me, but I'm pretty sure.
All right, Calvin, you do you, bud.
You do you, boo.
And then you want black pepper too?
Yes.
Okay. Well done.
We got out here. Yeah, we can. Huh? We got out here to get.
Taking over.
Welcome to Roaming Reckless. When Calvin's here, he cooks.
Yeah, you do cook because I want you to be responsible.
So if it sucks, it ain't my fault.
Exactly. Here, I'll season.
Yeah.
Calvin, as long as you don't drop it on the ground, you're doing better than Marina does. So.
Hey! Real talk.
What do you mean?
Real talk, people. Real talk.
Running me dry, girl.
Real talk. I love that shit. If you want me to cook, you're gonna do it my way.
All right. So T-Money and Lolo are. Should we introduce them? How would you describe T-Money and Lolo?
I mean,
besides the loves of my life.
I mean, they've been my friends for years. I've known.
And now they're my best friends.
I've known Thomas for 25 years.
Holy crap.
Lauren, I've known for 10 plus. My closest friends in the world.
So then we squatted up real hard, forgot about filming.
We went to bed like 4 hours later.
We woke up and Lolo made the best breakfast burritos I've ever had in my entire life.
Venison breakfast sausage, y'all.
Oh, it was crazy.
Man, ain't nothing like it.
It was nuts. Okay. You're gonna have to duck, Calvin.
Oh shit, here, I'll just... Here, I have to eat from back here. Oh yeah, man, now I'm on camera. Hey guys.
That is fire, Lauren. Is it good? So good.
Oh my god.
Holy cow.
The breakfast sausage, the seasoned meat mix.
Holy cow. Way better than anything I've ever cooked, that's for sure.
That venison breakfast sausage, guys.
That's it.
I could eat that all day.
Lolo got the sauce.
Lolo's a fire chef over here.
Yeah, she is.
I dropped like 3 eggshells in there, so you can fish them out.
Hey,
Let me know.
if I feel a crunch, I will still swallow. Yep.
Oh god.
I was glad. Oh, right. That's T-Money's present to me.
Look at that. You make a good stripper with that ass. Jiggle, jiggle.
Really throw that ass in a circle.
Walks like a drunken pirate. And like
Her back legs are swinging.
Yeah.
She's adorable though. Yeah, she's happy.
That's all we ever wanted.
She's deaf now though.
oh yeah.
Definitely like,
It's supposed to fucking rain today.
yeah, that doesn't look pretty.
Then we all sat around in a single file line and talked about how we should create a podcast.
100%. 100%.
And then we got rained out of our campsite.
Yeah, and then thunderstorms rolled
'Cause
in
we were
at
supposed to
like
fish.
at like 8:30 in the morning. Yeah, I was gonna get on the lake today, get in my belly boat. Hey, that's what it's called, okay?
And then we all came here instead of fishing.
Yeah, and then we all came
To the
to
coffee shop.
the coffee shop, just hung out for a little bit.
I can see the red shit on my neck too. That's all the time.
I got
A little bit. Hockey games on now. I'm a big Avs fan for all y'all Avs fans out there. Go Avs, go.
And now that's the end of our day. And now I'm moving on. You guys are going home.
Yeah, she just hates hanging out with us, so she's heading north.
And,
She's heading north, and I'm heading back down south.
Yep.
And she's gonna keep making some kick-ass content. So
Well,
y'all.
you don't know that. What if it just all goes to shit now?
Oh yeah. Well, that's on you. That's not my problem. That ain't my problem if it all goes to shit.
So that's the recap. What was
Yeah.
supposed to be 3 very concise,
Very planned out videos.
planned out, amazing videos turned into one hodgepodge
Then and now we have to just recap it for y'all. So
because it didn't make sense. I tried to pull it into Premiere and edit it today, and it made no sense. So.
Oh, and it was super windy the whole time, and she
Yeah.
broke her microphone off of her camera again.
Again.
So It wasn't my fault. I didn't.
It wasn't my fault.
So she has to go buy a new microphone now.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'll see y'all later. Enjoy her videos. Like and subscribe.
I don't even say that.
I don't give a shit. I say that, so.
Bye, Calvin.
Oh my God.